In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dimensions to your AutoCAD drawings. By the end, you'll be placing clear, accurate measurements with confidence, and you'll know a simple workflow you can repeat across your entire project. Start by bringing up the Dimension tool. In the command line, type DEM and press Enter. This single command is your go-to for quick, versatile dimensioning. When it's active, AutoCAD will prompt you for points. Click the 2 points you want to measure between. Think of them as the start and end of the measurement. These could be endpoints, midpoints, or intersections. For best accuracy, make sure you're snapping to exact geometry rather than eyeballing it. If you see snap markers appear, that's a good sign you're locking onto the right spots. Once you've clicked your points, move your mouse to position the dimension line. This is where you control both the direction and the offset. Drag perpendicular to the measured distance to keep the dimension readable, and pull it out just far enough so the extension lines are clear and the text isn't crowded by nearby geometry. You'll see a live preview as you move, so take a moment to place it neatly. Good placement goes a long way toward a professional-looking drawing. After placing your first dimension, keep your rhythm going. Press the spacebar to re-enable the dim command and continue dimensioning. Space works like Enter here. It quickly repeats the last command so you don't have to type it again. Click your next pair of points, drag to set the direction, and offset, and place the dimension. Repeat this simple cycle to work your way across the entire drawing. It's efficient, it keeps you focused, and it helps maintain consistent spacing and alignment. As you move along, keep clarity in mind. Avoid overlapping other dimensions or crossing through important details. If the text looks too small or too large, remember that's controlled by your dimensions, style, and scale, which you can adjust later. What matters right now is placing clean, consistent markers in the right locations. Don't hesitate to zoom or pan while the command is active to get a precise pick. Accuracy always beats speed. And there you go. With DEM, clicking the points you care about, setting direction and offset with your mouse, and tapping space to keep going, you can dimension your whole drawing quickly and cleanly. That's all. Simple, effective, and ready for your next project.